to Dr. Sajna's Ayur blog. Hope all are ready to accept 1 month challenge to control your BP. In all medical science, BP is controlled by vasodilation, vasorelaxation, diuretics, calcium channel blockers, alpha beta blockers, like that. There are herbs, vegetables, fruits, and naturally we can control the BP like this. How? That is the main point. The first thing all you want to do is relaxation, stress reduction. Have a proper lifestyle. Have a proper humble attitude. Let's see about herbs. How you want to start a day to control your BP? Chew 2 pieces of garlic every day in morning empty stomach. That produce a chemical called allicin that will increase the production of nitric oxide in the body. By the way, it relaxes the smooth muscles and help as a vasodilation. It is a wonderful drug to reduce your cholesterol and so many other body alignments. If you feel to chew garlic is very difficult, you can use in some other ways also. But chewing is the best way. If you are not feeling well, you can use like this. You can take 1 glass of milk and crush 3 pieces of garlic and boil it and make into 1/4 and drink that milk every day morning. That will also help in reducing your BP. And the third way, you can crush the garlic, take the juice, mix with little apple cider vinegar and honey and little bit of lemon juice in a half glass of warm water. It's very good in reducing your blood pressure, cholesterol, fatty liver, so many other things. And the second main herb, and it is commonly available, is moringa leaf, or you can say the drumstick leaves. Take 1 spoon of moringa leaf juice and mix with honey and take 1 teaspoon every day. This will tremendously reduce your BP. And if you have a high BP, you can put moringa leaf juice in your crown of your head. Within seconds, you can see BP is reducing. The third main is Arjuna. You can take the powder of Arjuna bark and make as a tea and drink twice daily after food. I'm giving a good herbal recipe that will help in controlling your BP, cholesterol, diabetes, any other metabolic disorders. In that herbal tea, you can mix green tea, ajwain leaf, tulsi leaf, ginger, dry ginger, or you can use ginger and cinnamon powder and take morning and evening as a herbal drink. Then the next thing is water, herbal water. You can mix cardamom, cinnamon and dry ginger and boil 2 liters of water and keep it. This will give a wonderful result in increasing your digestion and improving your cholesterol, metabolism, and that's why reduce your BP, diabetes, and etc. The another wonderful drug is hibiscus. You can take the hibiscus flower and boil in the water and drink. That is also give wonderful result in BP and as well as in diabetes. It's a very cardio-active medicine. And the other drug, that is the final drug for this, is isabgol. You can take 1 teaspoon of isabgol in warm water at bedtime. I'll give some examples that you can use daily wise that can help in reducing your BP and any other metabolic disorders. Take high rich fiber food like full grain oats, full grain wheat, millets, ragi, etc. Second one is pulses. In that, soya bean, black bean have wonderful result in reducing BP. It is proven also. The third one is high potassium diet like tomato, banana, sweet potato, spinach, like that. You can have lot of green leafy vegetables. High potassium diet will help in reducing your blood pressure. Carrot, beetroot, radish like type of tubers that is have a wonderful result in reducing your BP by calcium channel blockers. If you are a non-vegetarian, have lean meats like chicken, fishes, etc. And flaxseed. Flaxseed have omega-3 and is a wonderful result in cardiovascular functions. You can use this type of foodstuffs in your normal diet and have a wonderful day and see a wonderful result. The third thing is yoga or exercise. You just walk out and reduce your fat, burn your calories. And in yoga, there are two types, relaxation as well as asana. Shishvasana, Vajrasana, Sukhasana, Shavasana. This you can practice for 20 minutes every day. That will help to relax each and every muscles. And some yoga asanas have wonderful results in reducing BP, that are Virasana, Sedu Bandhasana, Ardha Shalabhasana, Ardha Halasana, Bhadrakonasana, etc. Surya Namaskaram will also help in reducing your BP. The fourth main thing is sleeping. Have a proper sleeping pattern and relax your body completely. So, proper diet, proper sleep, proper exercise, and incorporated with some herbs that will control your BP and so many metabolic disorders. Follow this and challenge your body. You can control your BP within 1 month without any chemicals, without any side effects. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and like.